Quick, graph y equals the square root of the quantity 4x by hand, two different ways. It is highly recommended you watch the video how to graph y equals f of the quantity k times x before watching this video. You will need graph paper or download this PDF and print it. Press pause as needed anytime during this video. The first way is with what we call the radical dance. And normally we start at the origin, and the coefficient of x, 4, that's inside the radical sign, does not affect this point. Because when x equals 0, you can see that y is equal to 0 also. And points are going to be plotted relative to the origin. Recall that the coefficient 4, the coefficient of x, 4, is inversely proportional to the horizontal dilation factor, which is 1 over k, which is 1/4. That is, we're going to multiply each x value by 1/4. Normally the radical dance is right 1 up 1, but for this one it's going to be right 1/4 up 1, because 1/4 times 1 is a 4th, and the y values are unchanged by this. So right 1/4 up 1. Normally it would be right 4 up 2, but for this one it's going to be right 1 up 2. A 4th times a 4 is 1, 1 up 2. Right 9 up 3 is next, but a 4th times 9 is 9/4 up 3. And we can even go right 16 up 4. And so that's going to be right 4 up 4, because a 4th of 16 is 4. Connect the points and compare that to the parent function. So look at these points here. They have the same y coordinate, but the blue x coordinate times a 4th is the green x coordinate on all points here. We have a horizontal dilation factor of a 4th, and this green function is a horizontal shrink compared to the blue function, the blue parent function. One other thing, since the square root of 4x is 2 times the square root of x, the green and orange graphs are identical. Second way, using a table. Here's our normal radical table, square root table. K is inside the function, and so the horizontal dilation factor is its reciprocal, 1/4. We're going to keep the y coordinates the same in that table, but multiply each x coordinate by the reciprocal of k, which in this case is 1/4. So 0 times a 4th, 0, 0 is plotted. And we suggest you could finish this, so press pause, finish the table, plot the points, and resume when you're ready. One times a 4th, we'll plot a 4th, comma 1. 4 times a 4th is 1, comma 2. And 9 times a 4th, 2 1/4, comma 3. Connect the points, and again we compare it to the parent function. The green function is a horizontal shrink compared to the blue parent function. Now you try one. You graph y equals the square root of the quantity 3x. Use either method or both for the practice. Press pause to do this and resume when you're finished to check your answer. And here's our answer, and you can see that the green function is a horizontal shrink of the square root function in blue.